everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be doing my hair. So I'm going to be going from my color right now, which is brown, to blue. So it's going to be something different and fun. I change my hair all the time. So it's nothing new that my hair is going from brown to blue because it's been pink, it's been multicolors, it's been blonde, it's been red, it's been every color of the rainbow. So this is what my hair looks like currently, and these are extensions, so I won't have extensions to match the blue, but that's okay. So my hair is normally like right about here, and yeah, so I will just go ahead and update you guys whenever I get through. All right, bye for now. Okay, hey everyone, so I just wanted to pop on and show you what my hair looks like now. This is my natural length hair. See, it's much shorter than my extensions were, but that's okay. And I just bleached my hair and got it to like a orangey gold color, and then after I washed it and blow dry it, then I just put the blue on, and this is the final results. I really like it. Yeah, so we'll see how it fades and how it, goes over the next few weeks. I'm not sure what I'll do after this, if I'll just go blonde or black back to brown. I usually change my hair, like my husband says it's once a month, but I don't think it's that often. So that's the blue, and I'm really kind of loving it. So hey guys, so I thought I would just hop on and do a little bit of cleaning. So I'm going to clean my kitchen and probably the living room because it's kind of messy. So I'm gonna flip you around and kind of show you the kitchen and the living room. Okay, so I'm standing at like our garage door. So this is our kitchen, and it's super messy currently. Yep, you can see, super messy, our patio door, and then this is the living room, again, super messy. All right, so I'm just gonna put you guys up and then probably speed clean through it and get this place cleaned up, and I'll hop on it and show you guys an after. Alright, so I was just kind of looking back at the clips of cleaning, and what I didn't realize is when I used the time lapse on my phone, I guess it's set to super quick. So what took a long time is only like 3 seconds. It was super quick. So I don't know if I'll be able to slow down those clips when I'm editing. I really hope so. Otherwise, I don't even know if I should include them, if I should completely scrap this part. And yes, I did put my hair up, and my hair's super short, so I have like an itty bitty baby bun, but it was hot. So anyhow, I don't know what to do about these clips and these eyebrows, and my hands are like stained blue from my hair dye. Y'all, it's a struggle. Today has definitely been a struggle. But anyhow, so I'm just gonna sit here and relax for a few minutes and vacuum and try to figure out what to do with these clips. I guess I'm not even gonna bother showing me vacuum because I don't know why the clips are going super fast, and then it looks like it's like nothing. You can't even see anything. It's kind of frustrating. So yep, I'll get back to you guys soon. Bye. Alright, so hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here. It's actually a couple days later. I'm horrible with this vlogging thing, obviously, so I just wanted to come on here and get some more footage. Hopefully, right now I have the video ready to go, but it's only at like 5 or 6 minutes, so I just figured I would add some more onto it. Yes, my nails are still blue. I should probably paint them. Anyway, so right now what I'm doing is trying to get some planning done for homeschool. I really need to get my plans started because I really haven't done much planning. So I'm going to start off with planning for Emma, and this is what we're doing, the Ordinary Guide for Teaching Reading. So I'm going to start out with this, and I need to go through, I need to make a list of all the supplies that I still need to buy, anything that I still need to order, because we start school in a week. So I'm feeling very behind. Yes, very much. I am feeling very much behind. So hopefully I can get through all this and get a lot of planning, a good chunk of it done, or at least not necessarily planned, but gone through, and I can find out all the supplies that we need so that this weekend we can go ahead and either order it or buy it. It is tax-free weekend here in Florida, so that's cool. Any school supplies or whatever. We'll save a little bit of tax on it. And then I was going to tell you guys something else, and now I forgot. Oh, we did get our letter of homeschooling, intent. I sent the intent to homeschool off a few weeks ago, and I got back from the county that it was approved and everything. So that's cool. That happened yesterday, and I forgot to update you guys. I curled my hair today, and it's just flopping. I'm not loving it. Sorry for playing with my hair. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start planning a little bit, and maybe I'll show you guys, take you along with my thinking or what I'm doing. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit, okay? And hopefully then we'll have some more hauls too with the stuff that we need to finish, and then I'm super excited to jump into it and get the year started. The kids are super excited. I also have to figure out school supplies lists for my older two that are actually going in person. Oh, excuse me, hiccups. So I also need to finish supplies list for the other kids, and yeah, finish. My oldest has to wear uniforms, so I need to figure out shorts for him. So yeah, it's a lot, and we start school in a week. So Mama left everything to the last minute, but my mom has actually been sick for a good portion of the summer, so I've been kind of distracted with that one. So I am going to go ahead and get started and hopefully get some plans, and I will come back and show you guys kind of my thinking and what I've got going on in just a little bit. Okay, so basically I just kind of went through our curriculum and then wrote down what we're going to be doing on those days roughly. Now when I actually sit down and plan in my planner, I feel like I'll be more detailed. But so for language arts, this is what we're doing. I showed you guys the Ordinary Parents Guide to Teaching Reading. So I just went through and did the lessons that we're going to be doing. And then also we have these Bob books that are sight word books that I would like to try to utilize as well. So I know that the Ordinary Parents Guide does not go into sight words until I think it's lesson 30 or 27 or something. However, being that Emma is in first grade and not really a kindergartner, I feel like we need to focus on, sight words a little bit as well. So for the first week, we just have this book, which is actually book 4. It's who, and then the sight words that she'll do are is, look, and who. So there's very simple, and we'll just go through this book for the whole week. I figure Emma has a lot of issues with memory and memorization, so I figure going over the book for one day, she's not going to remember. So if we go over it for the week, I think we'll be good. Hopefully by Friday, she'll have a good concept of these sight words and the book down. And then I kind of just did the same for math and put out what lessons we're going to do, the worksheets that we're going to do, and then I also have a list going of stuff that I still need to buy as I'm going through, and I see what we need to get, and I'm watching some YouTube while I'm doing it. So there's that. All right, so I will get back to you whenever I get through with the twins, and then if I finish when I do the twins, and then whenever I get through our like main lesson blocks too.
In the new movie, Soul. Okay.
Alright guys, so it is actually quite a bit later on in the evening, and I have just been planning like all day, planning all afternoon. We got the kids and stuff some pizza for dinner, and basically that's been the day. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here, just because it's been like a whole week and I just would like to get it edited and put up. And you see my naughty little puppy trying to get on the table back there. So bad, so bad. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!